Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. RDP Lite installed, the remote machine has remote access enabled, and you know IP or hostname and credentials. Once done, make sure port 3389 or your custom RDP port is open on both ends and that local firewall rules permit the app. You should test reachability with a quick ping or trace route so you don't waste time entering credentials into a non-responsive host. This gets you to the first actionable connect attempt immediately. You now set up the session, enter host and port, pick the username, and either type your password or choose a saved profile for faster reuse. Next, tune display and color depth, lower color or disable wallpaper on slow links to reduce lag. Make deliberate choices about sharing, enable clipboard and local drives only when required, and consider GPU acceleration for graphics-heavy tasks. These settings balance responsiveness and functionality, so adjust, test, and iterate until the session feels smooth. You complete the process by connecting and verifying that the remote desktop responds and that files or apps open as expected. Make sure the session is secured with a strong password and two-factor if available, and restrict allowed origin IPs for repeated use. If you hit a problem, check RDP Lite logs and system event logs, confirm the port and firewall rules, try a local client to isolate network versus server issues, and if needed, reboot the remote machine. This resolves many transient failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.